I'm doing a video this afternoon on how to plan a route using Bob 423 tracks. Let's start by the upper left hand corner and tapping on Aqua map. As you can see, I'm here at Coin Jack Marina. I'm going to stop at the free dock by the Great Bridge tomorrow. So let's see how that route is planned. First of all, I've had a dotted line representing one of the long tracks. Let's tap on that. And up comes the current track for that area. Tap on the eye. And details come up on the track information. At the bottom of the screen you see a triangle. Hit reversed because every track goes from north to south. But I'm headed north, so I want to reverse that track. And now you see Route Explorer come up. Let's tap the eye. And I got all waypoints turned off, but everything else is turned on. And you see everything that's going to be in front of me tomorrow on the way north. I'm going to go forward down the list till I come to the Battlefield Bridge, which is right by the free dock. Highlight that, and then tap on Done. And at the top you see my ETA and time it takes to get to Battlefield Bridge. You're right by my free dock. Now, the 7:13 p.m. is based upon me leaving a little bit before 3. And it gets information from my boat that says I travel at 7.3 knots. Once I start out, that 7.3 knots is going to be changed to whatever speed I'm at. It'll automatically compute the ETA. In the upper right-hand corner are various things that are in the way. You see the next alert at 4.1 nautical miles. Let's tap on that. Let's view details. And you see shoaling to 4 low water by G11. So you want to be sure and follow the route. It also tells you about the next bridge coming up. View detail. And that's the Pungo Bridge. I don't care about it because it's a 65-foot bridge. Now, if you want to view your route in more detail, tap on the 110, or that middle dot. Up comes the track info again. Tap on the eye by track. You see all the activity you're going to see. You see an anchorage. There's a Fungal Ferry Bridge anchorage. Tap on the eye to get more detail about it. Also review. Pungo Ferry Oxbow, same thing. Gives it some information about it. And also the North Landing Bridge. Tap on the eye. It tells you what the signal is and what channel they monitor and so forth. And also the Centerville Waterway Marina is along the way. And of course our destination. Now you also have the option of highlighting other items. Whatever you highlight will be at the top of the page until you bypass it. Then the next one happens. So what I'll do tomorrow, I'm worried about the North Landing Bridge when I get there. I'll highlight that. Then I'll highlight the Centerville Bridge, highlight that, and of course my destination. Hit done. And now the first thing I'm going to see in the morning at the helm is the distance and time to arrive North Landing Bridge. When I bypass that bridge, the next bridge is going to pop up that I highlighted. And then after that, my destination will pop up. All that'll go in sequence depending upon what I do. Now when you get done this a few times, like for myself it takes me about 30 seconds to do this. But it shouldn't take more than 30 to 60 seconds once you've done it a few times. So go through it, do it in detail, and once you know how to do it, it becomes second nature, and it's much easier than having to plug in a route. I mean, the tracks are already there. They already follow the deepest water, so there's no decision about just what is the best track. It's already there, just a matter of activating it and following it. And that's the comment for the day. If we see comments, please make comments for improvements or things that aren't clear on the website. Thank you.